What's up, YouTube? I'm finna talk to you about some of my top streetwear brands. Let's get it. A top streetwear shoe would be Nike Foamposite. Nike Foamposite comes in black, red, blue, purple, anything you could find in the crown box, which goes with a lot of streetwear. Another top streetwear shoe would be Jordan. Jordan's always been one of my favorite shoes for the longest time now, and as you can see in some of these pictures, they go perfectly with pants. And me personally, I wear my socks to match my shoes, so it's even better that way with the shorts. Pops out. Another streetwear item will be a baseball jersey. Plenty of teams to choose from. Me, I'm from Florida. I'm gonna pick that Miami Marlins. That's just me. Maybe you could pick a basketball jersey like a Vince Carter. Plenty of different jerseys to choose from if you're a hype beast, LeBron. But maybe you want to represent your city. Tommy Hilfiger is one of the top streetwear brands to go to. They come in blue, red, white, gray. I tend to really buy these shirts a lot. They just really pop out to me. You can't say Tommy Hilfiger without mentioning Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren has very similar but not similar colorways. Polo has been always around and always will be. Very top streetwear brand for me. Nautica is one of my favorite brands, period. I have bought many of these shirts. I just like the sailboat, the flags, different colors that comes with. It's very streetwear. Black Pyramid will be one of the top streetwear brands right now. They have numerous shirts. They have sets of clothing. They have the shorts that also very appealing. So you could buy like a shirt, then you can match it with the shorts, or maybe the joggers. Streetwear brand t-shirt would be Forever 21. Forever 21 has a lot of graphic t-shirts, striped shirts, flower printed shirts, basic shirts, a lot of streetwear attire. Another top streetwear brand that I would prefer would be Lacoste. Lacoste has a very plain, just an alligator on it, but it comes in different colorways like this one, red and blue. Or you can switch it to navy blue and a yellow, or black and white. But Lacoste has a lot of different options. This black and blue one right here. A streetwear could also be maybe a vintage shirt or a bleach shirt. I make my own bleach shirts. I have videos of it on how to do it, but some of these are really nice. Guns N' Roses. Old school bands are really known to be bleached, and it's really fire. The last streetwear brand I'm going to talk about is Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein comes in very basic colors: white, black, gray. Maybe you can find a graphic tee, blue, yellow, orange, maybe something that pops out a lot. But Calvin Klein is a very good brand. Thank you for watching my top streetwear brands. I appreciate it.